Hey guys, me Celeste Marie, and I'm getting the puppy dog Maya.
Maya was sound asleep.
Oh, Maya! This is Celeste.
Celeste.
Say hello. That's Miss Amanda.
You're the older one, right?
That's
No,
her, the younger.
I'm the
Oh wow.
She's small.
Maya. Be tall. So
Yes.
cute. This is Maya.
I love playing with dogs.
She's there. She's gonna be incredibly excited right now. She just woke up. Oh. Well, come on in. I'm gonna show you her. I'm gonna show you a couple of quick things. They'll actually let you take her out front. She's probably gonna.
She's run away.
No. She's gotta go pee pee. Whenever she wakes up, just like a baby, first thing she needs to do is go potty.
Okay.
Because I mean, she's 1 year old, so 1 year old means really still a baby, really still a puppy. She's got another year or two of being a puppy. And then the trick will be in 2 years, keep her from being too lazy. Because dogs get lazy once they get older. But you just clip, because she's got a short throat and snout, she needs a harness, not a collar. So that when you pull her, see, it only pulls the whole body.
Yeah.
And doesn't ever choke her.
Okay.
But she's pretty and it's retractable. This is all I use with her.
Yeah.
She's pretty soft.
I've done this before because I have a dog named Pork Chop, but he's with my dad.
Aw.
My dad is
The
the
Chihuahua?
Yeah.
So you can take her out front. Yeah, she'll do that.
Maya. What's going on, girl? You can take her, Celeste, if you want.
Yeah, we can walk her out here. She'll go. I always tell Maya to go potty. She knows what go potty means. It doesn't mean she always listens, but she does know what it means. She's just stubborn.
Crap. Oh my gosh. Yes.
There you go.
That's the wrong way. Outside.
Yeah. I think she's excited.
Yeah, she's very excited. So
Maya.
you probably want to shorten up the leash and just tell her go potty. She might go here in a second. But
Watch your leg.
she looks like she's gonna go.
Uh-oh. Hold on. She got tingled.
Well,
Hold on. Let her pee.
Oh.
She's pink. Hold on.
no, she's not.
Oh,
She's
no.
like,
Okay.
my whole leg is wrapped around.
Oh no.
Put the phone down.
Okay.